Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are unsubscribed. Drop a comment on the video, it helps it out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, coming at you today is the Zippy Tuna Salad Sandwich. What I have there is 20 ounces of, or two 10-ounce cans of solid albacore tuna that I drained, placed into a bowl. So about 18 ounces of dry tuna. And to that, and this is specific, I added 1 cup of Miracle Whip. If for whatever reason you can't stand Miracle Whip, you can certainly use mayo, but for this recipe, you really need the Miracle Whip. It's got that tang. And then we're going to add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. And now we're going to add the veggies, which consists of a 1/2 cup of diced celery, a 1/2 cup of diced red onions, and about 4 small sweet pickles. I couldn't find anything called sweet pickles, so I ended up just taking like 6 or 7 gherkins and dicing them up. And then, of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper. And then you want to mix until everything is mixed together well. And then, this is optional, you don't have to do it, but I would recommend covering it and letting it chill out in the fridge for at least an hour. And then we want to take 2 slices of bread, and we got some cheese, some nice cheddar cheese. And then we want to place some tuna salad on each one of these. How much is really up to you and what kind of sandwich you want. And then we want to add another slice of cheese on top of our tuna mix. And then we're going to butter our bread and bring it over to a griddle. And now it's time to butter the other side of the bread. I just gave up trying to fight with the butter and just decided to do this. So give this a couple of minutes to griddle up and we'll be good. Here's a little tip, a little trick. Put some water down to create some steam and then put a lid on it. Really helps the cheese. And now it's time to give them a flip and then give the other side a couple of minutes and we should be good. All right, now we're gonna do a little cut across. Get you a nice little cross section of this here. And that's that. A Zippy Tuna Salad Sandwich. Done.